competition kay Mr. Jorel Nestor Relatolo, Mr. Francis Raymond D. Fernandez, Mr. Cloyd M. Lagyap, Mr. Rodrigo C. Salando Jr., aka Coach Diggs, our technical judge, Mr. Ron M. Suva, and our chairman of the Board of Judges, Dr. Karina Lanuza Salas. Sa tuyong mga participants po ulit, igdi na po kita sa tahaw. Abununta po ang mga participants tahali sa elementary category. Nasain po ang Calawag Elementary School. Ayan, present. Nasain ang Naga Central School 2. Nasain man ang Carolina Elementary School. Ang Grandview Elementary School. Nasain man po ang Naga Central School 1. Yan, sa Satuyang High School category man po, nasain ang Santa Cruz National High School. Camarines Sur National High School. Apunantaman po ang Leon Mercado High School. Nasain man po ang Concepcion Pequeña National High School. Magribok man po ang Cararayan National High School. Nasain man ang Balatas National High School. As in last, ang Carolina National High School. Yan, isay kaya ang manggagana sa elementary. Yan, gabos gusto manggana sa high school. Yan. Magayon po ang mga performances kang gabos na eskwelahan na nagpailing ding tibay ngunyan na banggi. Remind na lang po ang satuyang magiging awards and cash assistance. Ang first place po makakakuha ng 1.5 million worth of school infrastructure project. Sa second place man po, 1 million worth of school infrastructure project. As in sa satuyang third place, 500,000 worth of school infrastructure project. As in, yan, kaya isay daw po ang satuyang manggagana sa elementary as in high school category. Yan, si mga coordinator po kang sa satuyang elementary category, magtaas po di sa stage. Liwat po si limang coordinator po sa satuyang elementary category, magtaas po sa stage. Nasain na po mga coordinator po sa satuyang elementary category.
Si mga coordinator po from elementary and high school, pwede po magsakat po. Hanapon na lang po si Councilor Lito Del Rosario po for the announcement po. So inaapudan mi po ulit si mga coordinator po na magsakat po sa stage. Elementary, sa Calawag, Naga Central 2, Carolina Elementary School, Grandview, and Naga Central 1. Magsakat po kamo dito sa stage, please. So, halat-halatan lang po ang resulta. Ano po? Sisay kayong ma-champion! Good. Si Grandview po, mayo pa po digyo sa stage. Grandview Elementary School po. Coordinator po, pigaano mi po. Okay po.
The Peña Francia Festival Civic Events is presented by the City Government of Naga, headed by Attorney Son Ligacion and Vice Mayor Nene Diasis, in partnership with our diamond sponsor, Robinson's Naga, URC Flour, DLTV Company, Gold Sponsors, Triton Paints, South Star Drug, Fieldworks Construction, Umar Residences, Coca-Cola Beverages Philippines Incorporated, Dito Telecommunity, Moore State Company Incorporated, Moraville Hotels and Moraville The Garden, Caramel Bake Shop, Pucaris Rent, Sapphire Sponsors, Summit Hotel, Suzuki Philippines, Gateway Visa Solutions, Development Bank of the Philippines, Lotus Blue Hotel, Jollibee, CTEC, Maritime Training and Assessment, Bang Inasal, Nature Spring, Philinvest, Developer of Futura Monte Condominium, Villa Caceres Hotel, Official Residence of Miss Bicolanja Candidate, Power Max Center, Firefly, Official Lighting Partner, Ruby Sponsors, Carl's Catering, Pepsi Philippines, SMC Tinaga, LCC Mall, Quantrix, Biggs, McDonald's, San Miguel Brewers, Smart, Inebra San Miguel Foods Incorporated, Mark Cafe, Food Panda, Fresh Deli, Hotel Sogo, Piti Mayora, Distributor of Copico and Le Mineral, The Isabel Hotel, Tierra de Ibal Tours, Bicolisarong Transport System Incorporated, Aso Garden, Asog Vineyard and the Farmhouse, Patron, Palawan Pawn Shop and Palawan Express Perapadala, Town Gas, PLDT, Dermise, Bunair Marketing, Vista Mall Naga, Century Pacific Foods Incorporated, Bigfoot Construction, Landers, Camsur Viaje, and TGP Party List.
Sa selebrasyon kang Peña Francia Fiesta ngunya na taon, kami po nag-iimbitar na makisumaro asindalanon ang Civic Parade and Float Competition sa September 19 pon alas 7 ng aga sa mga mayor na tinampo kang Naga. Ini po si City Administrator and former Councilor Elmer Baldemoro nagpapaabot ting Happy Peña Francia Fiesta sa Tuya, Gabos. Viva la Virgen!
Mensahe ni Attorney Son Ligacion para Ngunya na Peña Francia Fiesta 2024.
Sa mga tugang tang Bicolano at sin mga deboto kan sa tong mahal na ina, this year's Peña Francia celebration is truly special. we are gathered once more in celebration of the Peña Francia Festival and the 100th year of Ina's canonical coronation as Siempre la Reina de Nuestra Región. On behalf of the City Government of Naga, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to all who have made this celebration possible. May this centenary year be a time of reflection, renewal, and rejoicing. Viva la Virgen! Viva el Divino Rostro! Viva!
100 years since the canonical coronation of the image of Our Lady of Peña Francia, and our devotion continues to run strong. The biggest and most awaited Marian celebration is here once again. Join us as we celebrate the Peña Francia Festival 2024. September 7, CTP, MAPE, DRRM, and DBC, DLC Majorettes Exhibition. September 11, Miss Bicolanja 2024, Coronation Night. September 13, Peña Francia, Traslacion Procession. September 14, Second Bicol Regional CTP, MAPE, DRRM, Parade Competition. September 15, Regional Majorettes, DBC, and Band Exhibition. September 15 to 21, Tagboan Food, Arts and Music Festival. September 18, Scouts Parade and DXMC Competition. September 18, Second Inter-School Mass Dance Competition. September 19, Civic and Float Parade. September 19, Peña Francia Voyadores Festival Street and Pilgrims Dance Competition. September 20, Bicol Regional Military Parade. September 20, 100th anniversary of the canonical coronation of Our Lady of Peña Francia. September 20, Procesión Triunfal para la Reina Celestial de Coronada. September 21, Peña Francia Fluvial Procession. For the complete list of Peña Francia Festival civic and religious events, visit the Naga City Government and Mayor Son Ligacion page. The Peña Francia Festival civic events is presented by the City Government of Naga, headed by Attorney Son Ligacion and Vice Mayor Nene Diasi.
Sasangilan mga anak dahil tinalikuran. Ipintakasing ko sa kagasan mga palao, tanggalan lang. Isarog na puso, masulog na salo, marambong nakapalimutan. Nagana, gusto pa. Sayang haloy ng panahon, ikapinangaran sa kahoy na mapusuhon. Ngunyan, ika-anastaran, banwaan na nasasangigan, mga anak na ay tinalikudan. Di pagsasambitan sa iman magduman, ikukuraw ko sa kagasan. Kitang mga nagelyo, maurat na Bicolano, marhay na mga tao. Uswa pa, Panginoon sa pagbaba. Uswa pa, magayon na siyudad kagabsan. Kitang mga Nagenyong matitibay, Bicolano, makukuran ng mga nauna. Puswa pa, Mangenong sa pagbabago ng anak. Puswa pa, Magayon ng syudad ko ng anak. Puswa pa, ibang orgulyo sa tinapat sa gabos na panahon. Ikaw, mamutan.
Hello. Hello. Hello, hep hep! Viva la Virgen! Nadidipisilan po ang Board of Judges sa likod, sa backstage, matitibay. Ang mga contestants sa kunyan, 5 sa elementary and 7 sa high school. Kaya palapakan tayo sa ito yung mga sadiri. Salamat pong maray sa indong partisipasyon. Bago po ang formal announcement, apunan ko po ang sa tuyang matibay na City Administrator para po sa iyong mensahe. I-acknowledge po ko ang mga kaibanan ko, si Councilor Doc Jess Albius and si City Councilor Jepson Felix. Palakpakan po sinda. Mataw po ni mensahe sa ngaran po ni Mayor Nelson Ligacion. Sa tuwi pong action-oriented na Mayor, palakpakan po si Mayor Ligacion. Yaw po ang sa tuyang matibay na City Administrator, Elmer Baldimoro.
Mabalos, Councilor Lito del Rosario, ang chairman po kang Second Naga City Inter-School Mass Dance Competition. Palakpakan po giraray, Councilor Lito del Rosario. Kaibanan taman po si Councilor Doc Jess Albius, palakpakan ta, and Councilor Jepson Felix. Kay Sir Nani Soron, kay Sir Elvin Monroy, sa gabos po na mga Board of Judges, mabalos pong maray, sa gabos na principal, mga head of school, sa gabos po na mga partisipante, mabalos na maray sa Saindo. Naga na! Naga na! Sa ngaran po ni Mayor Nelson Ligacion, ang pagpapasalamat mi sa gabos po na mga partisipante, arami na haloy nindong pigpagalan ini, dakol na banggi na nagpractice kamo, dakol na panahon, kaya mabalos pong maray sa mga principal, sa mga maestra, maestro, sa mga trainers na nagpagal po kaini, sa mga magurang na nagtugot na may bali ang sa indang mga aki, and syempre po sa mga aki na grabing maray ang sakripisyo para lang po digdi sa mass dance na ini. Palakpakan ta po sinda. Patunay po na sa gabos na panahon, mag-uran man, umayo, yaon ang partisipasyon po nindo. Kaya congratulations po sa Indo. Makabali lang, makapag-perform lang ngunya nabanggi, winner na po kamo. Kaya dakulang bagay ang sa Indo pong partisipasyon. Kaya sa ngaran po giraray ni Mayor Nelson Ligacion, Vice Mayor Neni Diasis, ang samuya pong pagpapasalamat sa Saindo. Viva la Virgen! Happy Fiesta po sa Tuya Gabos!
Ayan, liwat, marhay na banggi sa Saindo Gabos. Siyempre, pasalamatan taman po ang sa tuyang mga judges na nakaiba ng tangunya na banggita. Garo mahirapon si naging trabaho ni Datagabos pong partisipante matitibay, mapa-elementary man po o high school. Para sa tuyang mga judges po, makakaibanan ta po sa photo opportunity, sina City Councilors, City Councilor Lito Del Rosario, City Councilor Jess Albios, as in City Councilor Jefferson Felix, together with our City Administrator Elmer Baldimoro, as in apudan taman po si Mr. Melvin Monroy, ang satuyang MAPI Coordinator, kang Deped Naga, as in sa ESO po si Mr. Nani Soron. Now, for the plaque of appreciation is presented to Mr. Junel Nestor Orlo. Halit po sa Barangay Santa Lucia, Magaraw, Camarines Sur, for sharing with us his precious time, skills, and competence in recognition of and appreciation for his active role as member of the Board of Judges during the second Naga City Inter-School Mass Dance Competition given this 18th day of September 2024 in the city of Naga, Philippines. Signed by Ernani Soron, our ESO Secretariat Head, City Councilor Joselito Del Rosario, MAPE Coordinator Mr. Elvin B. Monroy, asin ang satuyang City Mayor, Attorney Nelson S. Ligacion. Next, with the same citation, plaque of appreciation is presented to Ms. Karina Lanuza Sales, Secretary General, Philippine Cheer Union. Next, with the same citation, plaque of appreciation is presented to Mr. Cloyd M. Lagyap, Master Teacher 3 of Seferino Arroyo High School, San Agustin, Irigas City. Next, with the same citation, plaque of appreciation is presented to Ms. Karina Lanuza Sales, Secretary General, Philippine Cheer Union, and our Chairman of the Board of Judges. Next, with the same citation, plaque of appreciation is presented to Mr. Rodrigo C. Salando Jr., Artistic Director and Choreographer, Movement Style Dance Company of Irigas City. Next, with the same citation, plaque of appreciation is presented to Mr. Francis Raymond B. Fernandez, Consultant of Mariners Band and Majorets Exhibition. Last, with the same citation, plaque of appreciation is presented to Mr. Ronald Martin Suva, Secretary General, Philippine Cheer Union, and our technical judge. Liwat, maraming salamat po sa satuyang mga judges. Ngunyan na banggi, palakpakan yato ang mga judges ta para sa satuyang Inter-School Mass Dance Competition. Aratsan lang po, i-a-announce na ang satuyang mga winners for our elementary category and high school category. Isay po. Isay kaya ang manggagana. Ngunyan. Ayan po, para po magtaos sa tuyan ng insights manungod sa tuyang performances, apuranta po our Chairman of the Board of Judges, Dr. Karina Lanuza Sales.
Maray na bagin sa Indo Gabos. Gabos na dumog adi. Congratulations everyone, especially to the city government of Naga City for a job well done again this year. Mas lalong gumaganda, mas lalong gumagaling ang mga contingents. Pero sa ito po ang aming ibibigay na insight sa inyo. These are all for choreographers. One, you are guided with guidelines. Meron po tayong technical judge, si Sir Ron. Pag sinabing technical, doon ang binabasihan niya yung mga nakasulat doon sa guidelines, particularly to the number of dancers, yung time, kung sumobra kayo o kumulang kayo. Kaya choreographers, huwag niyong sayangin ang mga pagod ng inyong mga dancers. Be very cautious po sa time ninyo kasi na-overwhelm kayo. May sumobra ng 3 minutes. Right, sir? 48 seconds. And that is 1 per judge deduction to the total score. Imagine? Pero don't worry. Kasi kahit siya nabawasan, pag tinotal namin, kayo pa rin ang first. Malalaman ninyo mamaya. Pero sayang, buti na lang, hindi very close yung rating. Isa pa po yung number of dancers ninyo. Kung ano ang minimum, yun ang dapat. Kung ano ang maximum din. Tapos sayang po ng space dito. Kanina nagsasabi sa akin si Sir Ron, hindi na namin nakakita sa unahan. Pero yung space sa likod, ang laki. So pag nagba-blocking kayo, dapat mga choreographers, wag na ayusin natin ang mga spacing. So yun lang. But overall po, yes, then safety props. Yun din, hindi namin nag-argue kami kanina, dapat may specify Sir Jasper and Kagawad next year kung ano ang mga bawal na props kasi dapat safety. Bawal yung powder, pero hindi namin yung binawasan kasi hindi naman yon na ilagay sa guidelines. Pero next time, kasi safety ang number 1, ibawal po natin, ilagay po natin sa guidelines ang dapat lang at hindi dapat. But overall, congratulations everyone!
Again, thank you to Dr. Karina Lanuza Sales. Pasalamatan naman po ang Satuyang Information Technology Office, ang Satuyang tabulator ngunya na bangging iniyo.
kasaysayan, haloy ng panahon. Ikang pinangalan sa kahoy na mapusugon, naging pusukan kabikulan. Banwaan na nasasalingan, mga anak ng itinalikudan.
Ang satuyang hinahalat po, yaon ng unyan. As ilang ma-announce po kang satuyang mga winners, iyo po ang satuyang Chairman of the Board of Judges na si Dr. Karina Lanuza Sales.
Hep, hep! Eto na, napakahirap nito, ano? But anyway, for the third place, for the inter-school mass dance competition, goes to Calawag Elementary School. Ay, yung mga ano daw po, yung mga bossing. So, congratulations, Calawag Elementary School, third place. And for the second place, goes to Naga Central School. Second. Naga Central School 2. Second place, Naga Central School 2. And for the champion goes to contingent number 6. Ay, wala palang 6. 5 lang pala kayo. Sorry. So, our champion goes to Grandview Elementary School. So our champion for elementary category is Grandview Elementary School. Ayan, sila pala yung mga nakaping na mga teachers. Oh, ready na! Ang mga ate at kuya ng mga elementary. Third goes to, for the secondary, goes to Kararayan National High School. Third place, Kararayan National High School. Second place goes to Camarines Sur National High School. And for the champion, sino kaya? Sino? Sino ang nag-champion sa high school, secondary? And our champion for the secondary inter-school mass dance competition is Concepcion Pequeña National High School.
Again, congratulations sa gabos na winners sa elementary as in high school category. Ay, ribanan pa po kita sa aga para sa satuyang civic parade as in Boyadores po. Igdi po sa Plaza Quezon. Again, congratulations sa Grandview Elementary School as in sa Concepcion Pequeña National High School. Biwat kaibanan po ang bilog na City Government of Naga as in One Media TV 48 Naga. Ako po si Cristina Alcanzo Reyes. Diyos mabalos po sa Indogabos.
The Peña Friendship Festival Civic Events is presented by the City Government of Naga, headed by Attorney Son Ligacion and Vice Mayor Nene Diasis, in partnership with our diamond sponsor, Robinson's Naga, URC Flour, DLTV Company, Gold Sponsors, Triton Paints, South Star Drive, Fieldworks Construction, Umar Residences, Coca-Cola Beverages Philippines Incorporated, Dito Telecommunity, Moore State Company Incorporated, Moraville Hotels and Moraville The Garden, Caramel Bake Shop, Pocari Shrimp, Sapphire Sponsors, Summit Hotel, Suzuki Philippines, Gateway Visa Solutions, Development Bank of the Philippines, Lotus Blue Hotel, Jollibee, CTEC, Maritime Training and Assessment, Bang Inasal, Nature Spring, Philinvest, developer of Futura Monte Condominium, Villa Caceres Hotel, official residence of Miss Bicolanja candidates, Power Max Center, Firefly, official lighting partner, Ruby sponsors, Carl's Catering, Pepsi Philippines, SMC Tinaga, LCC Mall, Quantrix, Biggs, McDonald's, San Miguel Brewers, Smart, Inebra San Miguel, San Miguel Foods Incorporated, Mark Cafe, Food Panda, Fresh Deli, Hotel Sogo, Titi Mayora, distributor of Copico and Le Mineral, The Isabel Hotel, Tierra de Ibon Tours, Bicolisarong Transport System Incorporated, Aso Garden, Asog Vineyard and the Farmhouse, Patron, Palawan Pawn Shop and Palawan Express Pera Padala, Town Gas, PLDT, Dermise, Bunear Marketing, Vista Mall Naga, Century Pacific Foods Incorporated, Bigfoot Construction, East West Insurance, Landers, and TGP Party List.